Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you.
Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. It means you don't need any phone number to create a Gmail account if you follow my steps. Otherwise, whenever you try to create a Gmail account, Google will ask you for a phone number and send a verification code to verify you. And if you don't want to give your phone number to Google, please follow my steps. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. I will take you to my mobile screen and here we need to open Gmail app, and then we need to click on our picture like on the right top corner, and here it will give us the option that say add another account, and then we need to click here on the Google, and then it will ask for the our phone pin like the fingerprint, and here we need to click on create account, and it will ask us for whom you want to create this account, for myself or to my business. So we'll select myself, and then we'll give our name here like I'm putting here, and last name, and then click on next, and here it will ask for our date of birth like month. We can give any month here like 1980, and select the gender. If you are male, select male, and if you are female, you can select the female, and then simply click on next, and here it will ask us to create a Gmail account. Like we can put anything here like dot smith to let's see if it available. No, we can give it any other name like, if this username is not available, it will say the username is already taken, try another. So we can try something else here, like I try this one, and then click no. We can try something different. Okay, it take it, and then we need to create a password, and then click on next, and then scroll it down, and then click on yes I am, and you can see our Gmail account has been created. Like you can note down this Gmail account. This is J Smith. Like this is my Gmail account that I just created. Your Gmail will be account will be different, whatever you will create. So this is my Gmail account that I just created. So just click on next, and click on agree, Okay, so now you can see my Gmail account has been created. You can see this is the j.smith76520 at gmail.com. So this is my previous one, the top one, and this is my new one that I just created, jsmith. So I click on it, and you can see there is no more email right now because this is a fresh account. So you can see this is just a new account. It's saying, okay, so this is how you can also create a Gmail account without your phone number. It means you no need to provide a phone number to Google to verify yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.